Muhammad Salim, retired lecturer selection grade of Muhammad Polytechnic College, Gilakarai. I have been nominated for ASDF Academic Familiar Male Faculty Award 2021. I studied my diploma in mechanical engineering in Alagappa Polytechnic College, Karaikudi, a MA degree in Annamalai University, Chidambaram. I have 37 years of service teaching experience. During my service, I have produced many eminent personalities and many of them are working in foreign countries. Most of the students are from rural backward areas. Many times I acted as additional chief superintendent and examiner for conducting the practical and theory examinations. And also I have acted as chief examiner for evaluation of answer script of the students. Apart from this, I served as assistant warden and deputy warden, secretary of cooperative stores, and NCC caretaker officer, as well as workshop superintendent, and also the in charge of all the mechanical laboratories. During this period, I served with dedication to promote the practical knowledge, and the skills of the students. Then I have attended many short-term courses conducted by state and central government agencies like NITTR, AICTE, and other many universities. And also I have attended more than 300 webinars. I received an award presented by His Excellency the Governor of Tamil Nadu, Mr. Surjit Singh Barnala, in recognition of my 25 years of service. The Rotary Club of Ramnath honored me by presenting the Dronacharya Award in recognition of my distinguished service in the field of education during the year 2008 and 2009. I received an appreciation award from our principal of Muhammad Sadat Polytechnic College, Gilakarai, in recognition of my service rendered to the institution from 9th February 1981 to 31st March 2018. Also, I am the recipient of Global Teacher Award presented by AKS in Education Award Committee in New Delhi. Also, I am the recipient of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Memorial Excellence Award presented by the institution Mother Care India, Bangalore. I am a fellow member of Scholars Academic and Scientific Society, Assam, and I am a recipient of Indian Star Republic Award issued by World Record Solution and Award Private Limited, Uttar Pradesh. Degree of Doctor of Excellence, Honoris Causa Management was conferred upon me by Young Scientist University, USA. The degree of Doctor of Philosophy was conferred upon me by University of Swahili, Banama. I dedicated my entire life for the education. I put all my efforts to the betterment of my students as well as our institution. I molded all my students as well disciplined citizens. well-disciplined citizens. Thank you.
Good morning to all. I am Dr. A. Alauddin, Principal of Muhammad Sadat Polytechnic College, Kilakare. It is the best government polytechnic college in Tamil Nadu. It is a AICTE accredited institution, nearly 40 years old institution in Tamil Nadu. Regarding Mr. S.A. Mohammad Salim, lecturer, selection grade, he worked in our Polytechnic College for the past 37 years and retired from the service in 2018. I know him very well for more than 20 years. He was a sincere and dedicated teacher. Apart from his social worker, he rendered his service in some of the co-curricular activities like Secretary of Students Cooperative Store, Hostel Deputy Warden, NCC Caretaker, Workshop Superintendent, Laboratory in charge, Furniture in charge. He was interested in tree plantation also. Now I understand that his name has been proposed for ASDF Academic Familiar Male Faculty Award. I am very much happy. I think that he deserves for his award. I wish him all the best. Thank you.
I am Major SP Nasarajan, working as Senior Lecturer and Associate NCC Officer in Muhammad Sadat Polytechnic College, Kilakare. I know very well Mr. S.A. Mohammad Salim for the past 40 years, who was my teacher in this institution. He is a sincere and dedicated teacher. I am very proud to say that I am one of his students. I understand that his name